Hello everyone. For those of you who are advanced in Quick Basic 64, here's one of my programs that I've written. So we're going to load the file, open. I'm going to open up my Lotto Max RC8 Simulator Final Basic. Here's the code. There's a lot of code in here. This is what you can do. And eventually, all of you who are learning can do something like this. But it's a lot of work. But I can get you there. It's basically very basic programming. So let's run it. It might not work for the first bit. I might have to create some files. I don't know. Now it seems to work. Let's hit the, this will show you what you can do in Quick Basic. January 10th to 20. So we can do the search and print menus. Search for winning number, print out list of winning numbers, print entire list. There you go. Starts from 2009 all the way to 2020. You can find your numbers here. And that is one of the options that I put in to write a program with. There are many others. And it looks like retro stuff for a reason. Go to search menu. Scan database. I do believe there is a file in there. A demo file. Bad file name. There is no demo file. So we got to create it. We want to create a demo file, bad file name again. Let's look at that. Shift F5. Should start it from the beginning. Okay. Frequency calculator won't work because it's not up to date. We'll update it today. Bar graph menu. Okay, that one doesn't work. That one does. C, D. This is what you can do with Quick Basic 64. View normal charts. View the bonus number bar chart. It works. We don't have a printer online. Yes, we'll display the text. Readable. HDMI mode. We need to set it up. Now you got here easy game level. You start with $1 million. Easy skill, medium skill level, you start with $50,000. Hard skill level, you start with $10,000. Challenge skill, you start with $500. Totally impossible game. You start with minus 25,000. And totally nuts game. You start with minus $1,000,000. So let's try the totally nuts game. Real time or fun mode? Real time. Yes. Okay, file not found. I have to work on that. Line 138. That I want to know. Oh, okay. That's what it was. Just didn't run the... Okay. Save that. It's in the other program. So go to Quick Basic 64. And we'll set up the setup program so it works. File, open. Setup program. At the bottom we have to... Okay, what was the other one? That's the file it's not finding. I think the only thing I have to change the simulator. Okay. Bottom we have to change that simulator. Get the right file name. Okay. It's just one of the programs I have. I'll update the date later on. Yes, we're going to have color screens. We don't want to use the printer, although we have it online. Yes. Readable. We want readable. HDMI mode. 14 numbers in the wheeling system. 6 totally nuts game. Real-time mode. Yes. It should load the file. Line 138. Okay, let's see what the problem is. Okay. Now I know what the problem is. Cancel this. It's got to be exact. That's where the error is. Let's try this again. I want to make sure it works. There we go. Now it runs it. We've got to update the winning numbers here. We can do almost anything with this. The frequency calculator is good, but it's going to give you every number because it's not up to date. See, it went to 50. When I get it up to date, then it will be good. Pick random numbers. You have to know the date for your tickets. Okay, need a calendar. Today is Saturday, the 22nd, I think. It won't let you enter the draw data until the draw comes. It's way behind. New balance should be. That's wrong, but I'll have it previously set it up. It'll be set up. It's not finished yet, but I will show everybody how to do it and how to get up to this level. It should take a year to do this. I did this in over 40 years, so you can't do it overnight. Show you some of the code. There's the code. That's for the update. This code is specific. There's a lot of code in here. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get this working. I'll have to do that later. I'm going to do it off camera. It's being updated. Do you believe today's the 23rd or 24th? I'm guessing. There's a lot of code in here. It's all print using. Everything in here. Bonus numbers. Everything you can ever think of. Search and print menu. This is for the advanced users, not the beginners. But you can look at it as a beginner to see what you can do. But this is a lot of code. And it tells you where I'm coming from. Mind you, this is spaghetti code. It's not the best, but that's the way I wrote it when I started. That's the way I finished it. Enter winning numbers. Leave that the way it is. This is all the code for using the stuff that's in it. Select case and everything else. It's really advanced. That's all. That's the whole program. I'm going to save that. And I'm going to run it again. And end my program with the title screen. I can change that serial number so it's different for everybody. This is the way it is. I'm going to shut her down here. Thank you.